So we are constantly seeing these AI tools and trainings that are just overwhelming, at the same time promising the moon and under delivering. And me personally, I shifted my focus to just my prompt psyops philosophy, which is learning how to interact with the AI LLMs in a way where we can speak to them and get a simple result. So make sure that we give them the context that they need so we can craft and create a better message that will help our target audience. As marketers, as content creators that use content marketing and provide solutions, specifically digital information products, this is the route and the path that I've taken. And I pretty much ignored creating GPTs, custom GPTs. I do have a few that I have used, that I do use, and I have created some of my own, but they never really were exactly what I wanted. Because my focus is, like you see here, is as a marketer to make money online, recommending digital information products. So today, yesterday, last 30 days, last month, my focus is creating helpful content. And again, I just moved past GPTs because it just seems so overwhelming and confusing. And I never really settled on a way to do it until now. And that's what I want to share with you in this video. This is the 5-Minute Fortune members area. This is Jeremy and Dave right here. What they're doing is they're walking through these modules on how to create GPTs in less than 5 minutes. And they've given us something called the GPT Factory. Now, they also have the Advanced GPT Factory, some quick examples here, and 10 different ways to monetize because they're marketers creating content, creating digital solutions to help people. And in all this training, it all points back to this simple idea that I want to demo here in the GPT Factory. Now, there is a link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. What I'm giving you my bonus is a strategy video showing you how these GPTs and this concept of creating these simple GPTs fit into my overall strategy inside of affiliating, inside of my proven top strategy, traffic to an offer, put people on an email list. This is the bonus page. Just click this orange button. That'll take you over to the sales page where you'll see Jeremy and Dave. Click yes, I want the 5-Minute Fortune. Your bonus with that strategy video will be delivered to you instantly. But let's go back to the training here. This is inside the members area. Click access the GPT Factory, and they have a video here. And in less than 5 minutes, they're going to show you how to do this. So what I wanted to show you was inside of the GPT Factory. They have some starting places here, or some places to start by clicking any of these buttons. And it's all explained in the training. And part of my bonus also alongside the strategy video is I've added all of the training content into a AI Brain or a Google Notebook. And really what I want to show you here is the philosophy or the core principle for building a good, helpful GPT, like we see here inside of the training that they walk you through, and then given the GPT Factory that's going to do all the programming or the heavy lifting when it comes to writing the code or organizing the mechanisms and the strategy to build a successful or a quality GPT. But what is the core principle or philosophy for building a good, helpful GPT? That's a fantastic question that gets right to the heart of what makes these tools profitable and effective. How much do you currently know about GPTs, and what's your high-level goal for learning about the philosophy behind building them? Well, assuming you're looking to understand the foundational principle emphasized in the material that you get when you purchase 5-Minute Fortune, the core philosophy for building a good, helpful GPT is specificity and simplicity to solve a single, clear problem. And again, it's all here in the bonus as well as in the training. But now I want to dive into the demo of the GPT Factory. I just had to set the stage. So if you're still with me, here is what's going to happen. You're going to, again, log in the GPT Factory. You'll get access to this, and you're going to do something as simple as this. I want a GPT to plan and start a budget using Google Sheets. So you're going to create a GPT that that plans out and starts a budget and then does it in Google Sheets. Perfect. A budget planner GPT is a great starter project. Let's follow the GPT Factory 3-step flow. And again, this is what this training and this GPT Factory is doing for us. It's breaking it down into phases: define and plan, build the GPT, monetize and promote. Then it gives you the next options. And in this case, we want to write the GPT Builder blueprint so you can copy and paste into the Create GPT interface. So then you just say, yes, give me that. That's number one. Number one, the option is to write the GPT Builder blueprint. Give me number one. Perfect. Let's create your GPT Builder blueprint for the Budget Coach GPT. You can copy and paste this directly into the Created GPT setup screen. It gives you the complete code, the step-by-step instructions, or the blueprint to create this simple, effective, and a real GPT that will help real people. And I created it. And again, you just go to ChatGPT, you click Create GPT, and all of this is in the training. You paste it in the instructions here, and I want to show you how this works. This is the Budget Coach GPT. In less than 10 minutes, this GPT will help you create a working Google Sheets budget that tracks your income, expenses, and goals automatically. Show me how to build a Google Sheets budget. And remember, this is the GPT that I created in less than 5 minutes using the training that was given to me inside of, and there's a link in the description, inside of the Fortune, or the 5-minute Fortune, how to turn tiny 5-minute AI bots into real income, all based on a real strategy. And again, my proven top strategy, traffic to an offer, people on an email list, is how I make money online every day. And I'm going to walk you through how this fits in. And then you can see here, this is the GPT right here. Perfect. Let's make this simple. We'll build your Google Sheets budget step by step. By the end, you'll have a working sheet that automatically tracks your income, expenses, and savings every month. This is the GPT that you're going to use to make money online by creating something helpful and useful and then giving it away for free or selling it even. And you can see here, step one, get your info ready. Before we build, I'll need 3 quick things. And this is interfacing, or this is the interface that your audience is going to see to build a budget. If you'd rather skip setup and use a ready-to-go Google Sheets template, I can share a link you can copy instantly. Would you like that, or do you prefer to build it together manually step by step? This is a simple GPT. Again, the Budget Coach GPT right here. You can see I created this. I created this in less than 5 minutes using the GPT Factory from inside the training, the 5-minute Fortune members area. Click the link in the description. Click on this orange button. Pick this up. I have a strategy video for you to show you exactly how to use these GPTs in my proven top strategy that generates traffic to an offer, which your GPT is an offer, and of course, build an email list. And this is the perfect way to get started with GPTs. And seriously, in 5 minutes, right? Link in the description. Pick this up. Highly recommended. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.